Hello, this is Dustin with Home Mender, and today we're going to be doing some fence repairs. It's pretty shaky, we got some broken pickets, we're going to get it taken care of pretty easy. If you're on the fence about doing your repairs, this video will help you out. Let's get to it. So this is pretty bad. You can push on the fence and it shakes. That means that we've got a broken post or a rotted off post. This isn't screwed off, it's not connected. We've got one screw here. This is toenailed nail doing nothing. It's just really a sloppy fence job. This is uneven and a tree fell on the fence, so we've got a few pickets to replace here as well. So we're just gonna start pulling off pickets here. They usually got 2 nails on each stringer. And we don't have to worry about being gentle with these because they're already broken. Alright, we can get these hammered in. Once you get the nails prepped, removed, or cleaned up, you can go ahead and get ready to install your picket. Now this is a 3.5-inch dog ear. You can see the little dog ear. They didn't always sell these individually, but they do now, which makes it super easy. We are going to be installing them with exterior galvanized nails so they won't rust. And I'm also doing 1.5 inches so they won't poke through. Now that we got our pickets replaced, we can work on this post. Remove the screws from the panel to the post. All right, you can see how this is band-aided. This is the post right here, and they put this little block here because the post wasn't tall enough to meet the fence. This is obviously a rig job. And then if you come down here, you can see that the post is rotted out at the ground right there. You can actually stick a finger in there. All right, so this one's broke off at the ground, but I don't want to break the post off because I want to try to use the post to be able to pull it out when I loosen up the dirt around it. We were not able to save that. After you dig out around the concrete of the old post and get it moving, I'm going to use this broken 4x4 post to get in under the concrete and use the leverage to pull it out. New 4x4 post goes in the hole, and now it's tall enough so we can secure our stringer. Concrete all the way around the post. After we get the concrete in around the post, go ahead and bury it. Instead of plumbing the post, I like to split the difference here and push it over so we can secure this fence and still have plenty of room for the other fence. 3.5-inch deck screws. Alright, so this fence was a little not right. They just put a gap at the bottom and then covered it with a picket, but that looked really stupid. So what I did is pulled those pickets off and then used treated 2x4s from underneath to block the hole, and that way we could install our panels so they're all level at the top. So that's it. We just rocked that fence repair. We evened up the panels, replaced a couple pickets, took that broken post out and replaced it, and now all the neighbors are happy. So if your neighbors are complaining about your fence, don't take offense. Take care of the fence. So for Home Mender, I'm Dustin. I hope you learned something today, and if you did, don't forget to click subscribe. Thanks for watching.